Hello everyone, my name is Mohammad Azam and I'm one of the instructors on Udemy. I wanted to share another tip. One of the videos that I created earlier on got a really good response, so thank you so much. And I wanted to share another tip about recording your courses. And this tip I learned when I went in 2007 to lynda.com to record courses for them. So I recorded 2 courses for lynda.com in the 2007, and I learned a lot from how they operate. So one of the tips that they gave me was I was recording all the lectures, and it was a technical course, like a programming course. And when the time came to record the promo video, they told me to stand up. And I told them, okay, why would I stand up? And they told me that if you stand up, you will have more energy, and since the voice in most of the courses, at least on any publisher, it's just the voice. It's your voice, and the students, and that's pretty much it, right? So if you are sitting down, your voice will also be sitting down. It won't be really as excited. So they told me to stand up to record the promo video, and it can clearly show in the promo videos when I'm standing up and recording the promo video of like 1 minute long or 2 minute long. It clearly shows that I'm standing up because I'm all excited. I have a different level of energy as compared to when I'm sitting down. So I took that approach when I was publishing my Udemy courses, and now all the courses, every lecture that I record is always standing up. So every single course that you see and every lecture in every single course I have recorded is the one that is I'm actually standing up in my homemade stand-up desk. All right, and you can see the energy levels are just become like insane, because that's the only thing you're communicating. It's just your voice, and the student is just hearing your voice. So if you are like sitting down and I'm like, well, today I'm going to show you how to create an HTML page. Yeah, students are going to notice, because you're like, okay, you're all like tired and sitting down. When you stand up, you can feel it. You can feel some energy, all right, in your voice, and it clearly shows in the videos also, all right. And also, you know what? It's an exercise also. But for exercise and keeping yourself healthy and fit, I'm going to do maybe a different video. So try it out. If you are recording course, and if those courses are just your voice and the student is just hearing your voice, then try standing up and recording a couple of lectures, or even the whole course. Just stand up and record everything, all right? And you will clearly see the difference, and I think the students, they're also going to clearly see the difference. So try it out, let me know, and thank you very much for watching. Thank you so much.